Hey guys, it's Salvon. I'm making my tasty chicken fried rice. If you like this, please give me a like and let's get started.
The ingredients are listed on this page. You can definitely use your protein of choice. Today I am using chicken, but you can do shrimp, pork, beef, or even a combo if you want to get fancy. When you are making this, make sure to have all your ingredients next to you and ready to go because it does move pretty quickly. I am using a regular deep saucepan today, but it's best if you can use a wok. We'll start with about 1 tablespoon of oil, and you'll set the pan on medium to high heat. Go ahead and add in your white onions, and then the garlic. Garlic does tend to burn, so don't let it sit too long on the heat. After about a minute or so of stirring, we're going to go ahead and cook the chicken. And this may take about 3 minutes or so. I'm adding in a pinch of sea salt here. And once the chicken is halfway done, we're going to go ahead and then add in our veggies. You can always add in more or less of the veggies, so that's going to be up to you. And once it's done, you're going to go ahead and set that aside in a separate dish. I did add in another tablespoon of oil to the pan before adding in the rice. And this is my soy and oyster sauce I'm adding in, and then mixing it up well, chopping up any big chunks of rice, and continue to stir. Adding in my black pepper. You can always add more or less for the salt and pepper, by the way. And this is my chicken bouillon that I'm adding in. Once it's been stir fried well, go ahead and make like a well in the middle. Add in the butter. Then crack your eggs. And stir it until it's almost cooked. And then you'll go ahead and integrate this all together. Add in the sesame oil. And then your green onions. And now you can add in what was set aside earlier and mix well. As with cooking, portions of whatever you put in is going to be up to you. I grew up eyeballing how much to put in and gauging the recipe by my taste buds. Everyone's taste buds are different, so you'll have to play around with the ingredients. If you want more or less of soy sauce, for example, I've been making this for years and it's never the same. I'm constantly changing up the recipe and everything is based on the preference and what you like. I hope you enjoyed this dish and definitely encourage you to expand your horizons in cooking.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and comment and share this with your family and friends. To see when I upload new videos, please subscribe to the channel. Khop Jai. Thank you. Until next time.